Okay, so my equation was 1 plus 3 cube root 7 minus x equals f of x. Now the first part of the problem was to find the limit as x approaches 6. So from the drawn out graph here, we have located that 6 is at this point right here, and this corresponds with 4. We also can prove this algebraically, as when you plug in 6 in for x in the equation, it comes up with 4. Now the next part of the equation was to find the max delta value. But first we need to figure out what value of epsilon to use for y. So from the graph we see that epsilon is at 4.7 and 3.3. Now where those points intersect the graph is where we have our x values for the delta. Those correspond with 5.12 and 6.55. To find the max delta, we need to take the closest point to 6, because if we do 5.12, that is 8.8 units away, which would be outside this 6.5 over here. Well, if we do 6.5, so 0.55, it will still be within the epsilon around this point. So we're going to use 3.3 because this corresponds with 6.55 in the equation to solve for the max delta. So what we got is 1 plus 3 cube root 7 minus x equals 3.3. Now we're going to subtract 1 from each side, so we get 3 cubed 7 minus x equals 2.3. Now after that we're going to divide by 3 each side. So now we got cube root 3 7 minus x equals 0.7667 repeating. Now to get rid of this cube root, we need to cube each side. So that's going to leave us with 7 minus x equals 0.54506. Now subtract 7 from each side, leaves us negative x equals